Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS की Ophthalmology Department Da Ngashi Optical Biometer IOL Master 700 launch Toukhre. Awang Nongpokta lamdamda lenga ki hospital singi marakta RIMS na Ahanba Oina Optical Biometer AC install tobani. Medical institution asigi Ophthalmology Department pangthokiba launch tobagi thoramatuda RIMS ki Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sarmana Medical Superintendent Professor N Sanjeev amadi Department asigi miyoi kiana saruyaki. Thorumaduga Mari Lenina Professor G Sunil Kumar Hai Nasir RIMS known install Toriba Khulai asi Miui Bagi Mita Cataract Lenagi Laying Chatabada intraocular lens ki chaba measurement long naba khwaidagi advance oiba Khulai mani Khulai asina intraocular lens ki measurement chana lobagi mathakta subnagi second ni fumangada madugi result piba ngamba sisu Khulai asigi top topa maguna mani Masina kudaki oiba anaba singda sujinabada hena kudung chaba oigani haiki Professor G Sunil Kumar Sarmana Makataraduna RIMS ta asigumba mid ki laying chathananaba asigumba anoba technology ama hapchilakpa na kanaba pigadoriba asigi khalubada harauba phawi haiki loinina RIMS asi Central Institute ama oina fangdiba facilities sing asida punsinduna yengbada cataract ki laying chathabada sel khwaidagi changdana surgery pangthokpa institute ama oiragani hainasu nungaiba phongdoki
This particular the instrument is going to use for the accurate measurement of intraocular lens to be implanted in cases of cataract. That's why there is the optical biometer. And the one we are installing now, IOL Master 700, is one of the most advanced and accurate optical biometry in the world today. The first installation in government setup in entire Northeast, as mentioned in the Manipur. A very fast sort of a procedure, and both eyes measurement can be done in 45 seconds. You have lots of time to go for lots of examination of patients, the implantation of this particular intraocular lens, and the accurate measurement of this lens is paramount importance. And if we can do that very accurately, like the one being claimed by this particular instrument, the highest, the most important is the patient is going to have that very perfect vision after the surgery. So I think we all should be very happy to have this, as most of the time as you get older, maybe 50s and 60s, we are going to have this requirement.